Okay, the countertop people are on their way to install the countertops. Plumbing's disconnected, so all they gotta do is lift that up and take it out. The tops of the cabinets have all been leveled. They still have to remove these two. They will be back Thursday to install the backsplash. But they should have the sink installed, both bathroom countertops installed. Not sure what they're going to do about that and how they're going to get that backsplash off. It'll be interesting to see that. I just got to get that trim off some way or another and get that out unless they have cut around it with the backsplash. We'll see shortly. Okay, they are working on it. Okay, we still got to come back and do the backsplash, but it looks very good. I need to raise the oven up, or maybe not. This one is under mount. The two others in the master are both vessels that will sit on top of the counter.